Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix speaker problems on your iPhone in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. First, let's take the basic look at the slide of your iPhone and make sure the silent switch is not turned on. If you see an orange flip, the switch of silent mode is off. Then press the volume up button to make sure the sound is turned on. Next, unlock your iPhone and open the settings app on your phone. After that, scroll down and tap on sounds or system haptics. Under the ringer and alert section, drag the slider to the right to increase the volume. Also make sure change with button is turned on. Now check if your iPhone is connected to another device. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open control center. Look for Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is on, turn it off. Sometimes sound plays through headphones or speakers without you realizing it. If the sound is still not working, try restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and volume button. Then slide to power off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Finally, make sure your iPhone software is up to date. Go to settings on your phone, then tap on general. After that, software update and install any available updates. If none of these step fix the problem, your speaker may have a hardware issue and you may need to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. And that's it. Those are simple steps to fix speaker problems on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.